Cloud security. Why everyone stopped buying their own Minecraft servers. Alright, Jed. Imagine it's 2012. You want to run the greatest Minecraft server ever created. You have two choices. The first option is buying your own server. You buy the computer, you buy the storage, you buy the networking equipment. You keep it powered, you keep it cool. If something breaks at 2 a.m., congratulations, that's now your problem. The second option is paying a company that If you need more storage, you click a button. Most people choose the second option. That's basically what cloud computing is. Instead of owning all the equipment yourself, you're renting computing resources from someone else. Usually companies like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. Now imagine your Minecraft server becomes insanely popular. One day, 50 players join. The next day, 50,000 join because a streamer mentioned it. If you own your own hardware, it's called scalability. Instead of buying enough hardware for your biggest possible day, you simply use more resources when you need them. When demand drops, you stop paying for the extra resources. But now we have a new problem. Your data isn't sitting in your house anymore. It's sitting in somebody else's building, maybe hundreds of miles away, maybe thousands. That means trust becomes incredibly important. Imagine putting all your Pokemon cards into a storage locker owned by someone else. You still expect those cards to be protected. You still expect only you to have access. You still expect nobody to steal them. Cloud security is all about making sure those expectations remain true. One thing that confuses people is that cloud companies don't automatically secure everything for you. Imagine renting an apartment. The landlord secures the building. They maintain the roof. They repair plumbing. They maintain the elevators. But they don't lock your front door every night. That's your responsibility. Cloud security works the same way. Some responsibilities belong to the cloud provider. Some belong to you. This idea is called the shared responsibility model. Both sides have jobs. Both sides must do them correctly. Now let's talk about 3 common cloud models. Imagine you want to open a pizza shop. The first option is renting an empty building. You get walls and utilities. Everything else is your responsibility. Tables, ovens, employees, menus, everything. That's similar to infrastructure as a service. The phrase sounds complicated, but it simply means you're renting the basic infrastructure. The servers exist. The stores exists. The networking exists. You build everything else. The second option is renting a fully equipped kitchen. The ovens are already there. The counters are already there. You just show up and make pizza. That's platform as a service. The platform already exists. You focus on creating the application. The third option is walking into Costco and buying a pizza. You don't own the building. You don't run the kitchen. You don't manage employees. You simply use the finished product. That's software as a service. Applications like Gmail, Netflix, Discord, and Microsoft 365 are examples. You simply use them. Someone else manages everything behind the scenes. Now imagine somebody steals your password. If that's the only thing protecting your cloud account, you're in trouble. This is why cloud providers heavily encourage multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication means proving your identity using more than one method. Maybe a password and a phone notification. Maybe a password and a fingerprint. Now, stealing a password alone isn't enough. Another major cloud concept is availability. Imagine Netflix goes down on Friday night. Millions of people immediately notice. Cloud providers spend enormous amounts of money making sure services stay online. They often duplicate data across multiple locations. If one building fails, another can continue operating. It's like having multiple save files instead of trusting a single save slot. One reason companies love the cloud is disaster recovery. Imagine your office catches fire. Servers are destroyed. Computers are destroyed. Everything is gone. If your data was only stored there, it's game over. But if your data already exists in cloud data centers across multiple regions, recovery becomes much easier. The answer involves encryption, identity verification, access controls, backups, monitoring, and shared responsibilities. The cloud gives incredible convenience. The cloud doesn't prevent disasters, it helps you survive them. At its core, cloud security is really about one question. How do you safely store your stuff on somebody else's computer? Cloud security makes sure convenience doesn't become a catastrophe.